Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2015 Audi Q5. And we use our trunk handle mount backup camera. And also I connected the iPhone wirelessly to our wireless USB dongle to do the Apple CarPlay. It's fully touch, so you can use the touch screen for Apple CarPlay. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze or any other apps. Also you can play songs through Spotify, and it shows the artwork of the album and the song. And by clicking by Audi MMI, it goes to the aftermarket mode, and by going to reverse, it shows the back of the car with dynamic parking guidelines. By going to park or drive, it goes back to the same menu, and also you can click on MMI mode and it goes to the factory MMI, so you can use all the Audi concert knobs on your dash without any problem. You can go back to the radio or any function that you used to have. Also backup camera works on this side as well. And by touching the screen, we go back to the aftermarket mode. Apps are all here. You can go to Play Store and download any other apps that you like. Also you can watch video full size screen.
Let's get to work. Hey Rowan, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
The way the sound works, we give you one AMI cable that it goes inside the glove box, and by clicking on media, it activates the auxiliary inside the Audi. If you like this type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.